So today we have one of the most beautiful looking convoys. So this is Convoy S7 with stainless steel polished version. So I have paired this with SFT25R and I have set this to group 10. So let's see how this perform. So this is kind of a inspection light which you can carry, and already I'm in love with the beam. This is level 1. This is level 2. We can already see the tree very well. The platform, second tree, third tree. So this is level 3 now. We can easily see the pole and the boundary. And this is level 4. Wow. So this is level 4. There we have a bird who loves to run. I hope you can see that. I see more of them running than flying. Okay, let's concentrate. So this is the third tree and the pole, and we can easily see the boundary. So for an inspection light, this is pretty crazy how much it can throw. This is level 3, this is level 4. I can easily see the entire park as a really nice hotspot along with a very good spill, and there's a ring, and that is bound to happen because of the stainless steel bezel. So it's basically reflecting the light from there, and that is why it's creating this. So that's absolutely fine. Nice, really nice. All right, so this is Convoy S7 with SFT25R. Convoy S7 with SFT40 emitter, which is 5000 Kelvin. So let's see how it works. And I have set this to group 10. So this is level 1, level 2, and you can see the beam or the color of the tint is slightly on the warm side because this is 5000 Kelvin. For an inspection light, this is really good. So this is level 3. Now we can easily see the first tree, the platform, the second tree, third tree, and the pole easily. Let's push it to level 4. Wow, level 4 makes a lot of difference. So let's see from the tree. Second tree, third tree, fourth tree, and then the boundary. Let me take a quick walk. For an inspection light, this is pretty amazing. The kind of throw it can generate. So this is level 4. That's really nice. And surprisingly, On level 4, it is running warm, not hot. Now the head is getting hot. Alright, so this is Convoy S7 with SFT40. So today we have both the Convoy S7. One is polished stainless steel and one is stone washed. So on my left we have the SFT25R and on my right we have the SFT40 which is 5000 Kelvin, and this is 6500 Kelvin. So let's see how it works. So both are set to group 10. So 4 levels, 1, 10, 35 and 100%. So this is level 1. This is level 2, and side by side you can easily see the SFT25R looks cooler, and this is SFT40, which is 5000K, looks warm. And in terms of side by side throw, the SFT25R is able to push slightly better. So let's concentrate on the tree trunk. This is the third tree. So both are on level 3, but the SFT25R is able to maintain its brightness over the hotspot. So let's push it to level 4. Now the game changes. You can see the SFT25R still remains really bright in the hotspot, where the SFT40 has a larger hotspot. So it is able to tint the entire treetop, where the SFT25R is able to manage to put a small hotspot. So this is side by side. So let's take a quick walk and sweep through all the brightness. So this is level 2, level 3, level 4, the SFT40 with 5000 Kelvin of color temperature looks much greener. So let's concentrate on the pole. So the SFT40 has a larger hotspot, but the intensity is slightly less than SFT25R. So that's the reason if you see the pole and the shrubs behind it, it's not very clear. But in SFT25R, the pole is clear and the shrubs behind it is very clear. So I think both has stepped down. So let's give it a couple of seconds. All right, so let's quickly check one more time. Nice. All right. So here we have Convoy S7 with SFT25R 6500 Kelvin and SFT40 with 5000 Kelvin color temperature. So let's wrap it up.